Before you start, ensure that your iPhone is connected to your local network. Have the network name and password ready. You and your iPhone must be in the vicinity of your Miele Scout RX2 robot vacuum cleaner. Note the 9-digit serial number of your Miele Scout RX2, which can be found on the data plate. Download the Miele Scout RX2 app from the Apple App Store. To do this, enter Miele Scout RX2 into the search bar in the Apple App Store. After installation, start the app via the icon. Read and accept the conditions of use. To be able to access all the functions of the Miele Scout RX2 app, log in via your MieleUSA account. If you do not yet have an account, you can create one very easily. To create an account, select Create MieleUSA Account. To create the account, select your country and complete all the fields. Then choose an individual password. Confirm your entry with Create MieleUSA Account. You are now logged in automatically. Follow the steps in the app and ensure that the Scout RX2 is not in standby mode. If the Scout RX2 display does not show anything, switch on the Scout RX2 via the remote control supplied. Activate the Wi-Fi of your Miele Scout RX2 by pressing the base sensor field on the robot vacuum cleaner for more than 2 seconds. The Wi-Fi display begins to flash and lights up permanently when the Wi-Fi is active. Now activate pairing mode by simultaneously pressing the base and start-pause sensor fields on your robot vacuum cleaner for more than 2 seconds. The base sensor field begins to flash when pairing mode is active. Now open the Wi-Fi settings menu of your iPhone. Under Select Network, select the network which starts with Miele Scout RX2. Enter the serial number of your Miele robot vacuum cleaner as the password. The serial number is on the data plate. Switch back to the Miele Scout RX2 app and select Continue. Enter the Wi-Fi password for your home network and select Connect with your home network. Confirm the message displayed in the Miele Scout RX2 app with OK to connect the Miele robot vacuum cleaner to your local network. Switch back to the Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone and select your local network. Return to the Miele Scout RX2 app. Your Miele robot vacuum cleaner has been added to your user account and can now be operated by selecting it in the device list. In order to check that everything at home is in order while you're out and about, you can set up the Home Vision function. To do this, open the Home Vision function in the Miele Scout RX2 app. The first time you open the function, confirm the message in the Scout RX2 app with OK. Reactivate pairing mode by simultaneously pressing the base and start-pause sensor fields on your robot vacuum cleaner for more than 2 seconds. Then select Continue in the Miele Scout RX2 app. Pairing has been completed successfully if you can see a live video image from the robot vacuum cleaner in the Miele Scout RX2 app and the camera symbol on the RX2 control panel flashes red.